Hi everyone, welcome to the Electrical Innovations Guide to the Pyronix Enforcer. In this video I'm going to show you how to go into the engineers menu, which you probably shouldn't be doing unless you know what you're doing, but I'm going to show you that here. So you can go into the engineers menu and add or disable a device depending on what you want to do. So there's a couple of ways, a couple of things you need to think about when you're doing this. I'm going to cover them off for you so you get it right and you're not getting errors when you exit the menu, which you can get sometimes if you don't do it right. So the first thing we're going to do is put in your engineer's code. Now, if it's an engineer's code out of the box, it's 4 ones. If you've had this fitted by an alarm company, chances are they're going to have their own engineer's code and they're not going to want to give that engineer's code out. But if you want someone to be managing and maintaining your system, the only way they know that everything they've done is right is by keeping a secure code. They can't have users being able to log in and change settings when it's their liability and their maintenance plan that is covering that. So that's why when you think, oh, I've not got the engineer's code, why didn't it give it me? That's why people will not be given their engineer's code when you've got a system that's installed and maintained by a professional alarm outfit. So in this case, 4 ones gets you in and you're going to be presented with set time and date. To operate any of these menus, you can press B to go back, or you can press your arrows to go forward, or you can answer no to go to the next question, yes to go into those menus. B and no to go back is the main ones. So what we're going to start with is go to the wireless device control and control or change inputs. They're the two that we're going to be dealing with today. So we're going to start with wireless device control. Control inputs. An input is any device on the system, so like a PIR, a bell, or anything like that. Control inputs are all your wireless devices. So door contact might be in there. So do you want to learn a device? No. Do you want to delete a device? Yes. We never ever want to delete all the devices. And now we're into actual devices on the system. As you can see, we've only got 2 on our system. It's just a demo kit. We've got a door and a PIR. So if you want to delete one of these, you can just press here and delete, or you can leave it attached to the system but disable it in another menu. So if you delete it from here, you still need to disable it in the other menu. So let me just go and show you what that's going to be. Press yes to delete, and now you can see that the PIR is available. So if we did that and then exit the menu, as soon as you see capital letters, you can press A. You're going to get a wireless mismatch alert. Now what that means is you've got a device programmed into the system, which is different to learnt. A device programmed in, which is not learnt. So because we've deleted a learnt device, we need to sort that out. Return to engineers menu, yes. And the way we do that is change inputs, okay? So we're going to change inputs. We're going to go to the PIR that we've just deleted and we're going to disable it. 2 zeros sets it to unused. We can leave that menu now, exit, back to the main menu, and that's you sorted.